Hey there everyone, I'm Marco Couvé, the host of Expat Experts podcast. This video is extracted out of a longer interview that I had with Gabriel Perino, a Brazilian adopted by an Italian family who's now living in Greece as an automotive designer.
Yeah. And here, like in Greece, like you went back to purely automotive, like purely car design at some point, no? As far as I understood, like you're not designing bikes anymore or whatever, like after that experience in there, which was helpful for you to like provide other perspectives in the whole industry. You came here to Greece to this company, which is Asian based, but then they have this department of design here and you are like the kind of bridge between the Asian and the European market somehow, or like how
Yes.
is the current situation in here? Like,
Yeah, it's actually Asian-based company, and there's a European center here, and we're designing from Athens, like here in Greece, to for the Asian market. So it's the company focuses on commercial vehicles like automotive, because it's in the like the trucks, agriculture vehicles, bigger, small trucks, and three-wheelers. And so this it's more focused on automotive. But of course, I have diversity because you switch through between project, like they are like agriculture, like project, or more like automotive. They are maybe trucks and smaller two-wheelers, and the process is like automotive one. And yeah, the thing we are here in Athens and doing the bridge like between Asia and Europe is that also we are now designing vehicles for Asia market, but also in Europe we have a different like let's say for the also the market is different, so we have to design for the European market some vehicles. It's makes a bit different for the rules for European vehicles, cars. And for us it's a challenge because then we're designing for Asian market, which is different, like culture and different standards. And I never lived there, so that's nice because we talk with our colleagues there and they tell us how is the know-how and the thing like to design for Asia market. And here in Europe also from some vehicle, the fact we're designing here for Europe also can be like sold here in Europe for like three-wheelers and in the European market. So they have to be designed in Europe also for these different rules. And
so when you mean like that they need to be designed in a European way, it means that there is stricter laws here, or like different laws here in Europe that needs to be passed when you are producing a car that will be accepted in the European market, or
the law differences for passing test. And also I have to say in Asia they like the European design in general because they really see how we design here in Europe, the quality we put in the products. So they take inspiration from that because they want to learn also to follow this path, because we have inspiration around in Europe, and I think this is one thing is important to follow, from architecture, Asian stuff in Europe, and we transfer this into the design and into the work in general, like. And for Asian market, this is important because they take a look as a reference, European cars, to get close to the quality, and also try for them to learn from us this stuff, which is nice.
Is there a design team in Asia, or you are the design team and then the communication it's with an engineering team in there? Like, is there designers in Asia right now? Or?
Yeah, there's like mostly the main design in Europe, but also we have a few designers there together with the engineers, and the production is the site. They are all together in the site of the production factory. And so we talk constantly every day, so for then get in touch and like back and forth the projects. And but yeah, we have the team there, and we constantly talk for developing the projects to go in the work in progress.
How do you deal with the time difference?
Yeah, that's also because maybe we have in the week we have our task, and that's we have to plan. If we are in the morning here, it's already afternoon. Like that's the thing. In the morning we start, so we have also kind of pretty fast communicate, because then maybe they be finishing working and we start working. So we find a way, because then we have already the task to do for the week, and maybe all the information we need to ask them, we will communicate immediately, and then during the week we have the feedbacks. And of course we arrive on Friday to also deliver our project, which is our work in progress, like just progressing.
So you have delivery systems every week, like say like this, like you kind of compromise to suit something during 1 week, and then in Friday you present it as a must.
Yeah,
still as a work in progress and something that will be iterated on top of it.
If you liked this short video out of the full episode, you can find the link to it around here and in the description below. Of course, if you are also interested in checking out other episodes, please subscribe and like.